TV over there. Trying to take a look around. It's nice history. Oh, this is for the fire.
So we got firewood,
Oh, well, those are the peacekeepers you're talking about.
World War One.
Look at the detail on this.
I'm not sure about that.
Nice. Alright. I think that's... Alright, so this marks the end of the journey for CBS, well, for this year at least. It was awesome. Shout out to Tyler and his family. Right? So this is the road back to Gander. Oh,
Going up through Hollywood.
Holywood.
Hollywood.
Oh, Holy Road. That's not English, is it?
It's like wood.
No. Yeah. One thing I'm gonna miss, definitely driving down this road, the views. Right? CBS is a beautiful place. Speaking of. Oh wow.
That there is off Ancient Road. That's the new CBS arena there.
Oh.
It's a hockey rink.
Oh. Probably should have went there. This week, last week. Alright. Central Base South Legion Road. Okay. And this is the exit.
Yeah. Our
Holy Road. And thanks for tuning in. Alright. Wow. What's this lake called?
That's the ocean.
Oh wow. Wow.
Got the mural there on the concrete.
Oh wow.
Back in the trees.
Just gonna stop off to see the sights. Beautiful. Where is this place?
Holy Road.
Oh, we're still in the Holy Road.
Yep.
Alright. Give me a little more. Trans-Canada Highway. And I guess that's what we're looking for. Nice. This is the one that looks like a wasteland, right?
Not yet, but eventually.
Oh, that's not last one.
Sometimes I expect to look over and see the snake.
Yeah? Yeah.
They have like marshes and stuff like that too. Honestly, they're just everywhere.
Well, they're hiding from me.
Yep.
So we have Cranville straight ahead. Look at this. Beautiful.
Up on Laddie's Road, so
That's where all the sign of the ponds are.
that's where I brought you up to the cabin.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
There are nice little bunch of cabins here, too. It's going to be going right on the water.
That gentleman looked like he was sleeping just now.
But
He looked like he was sleeping just now.
that's why it's sort of
Oh. That's where we went. Okay, we have Latties Road.
big old pond there, a bunch of water.
Must be fun to swim to those islands in the summertime, at least.
It's a good pond for trolling. You know what that is?
Trolling,
Yeah.
make it fun.
No. So it's when you're fishing in a boat, but you don't stop. So you throw your line in the water,
Yeah.
there's like special kind of bait on it, and then you keep on boating around.
Yeah.
That's what trolling is.
Oh.
So that pond is really good for that.
Is it deep?
I think so. Some spots in it.
It's like, come on, this. Look at that. Wow. It's like I'm seeing it for the first time again.
Yep.
Ocean Pond. Whoa. Oh, wow, look at this cliff face.
Yeah, just wait till we get some time.
Whoa. Oh, whoa.
See what I mean by like wasteland?
Oh, this is nice.
This is one of my favorite parts of the road. It's right here.
Yeah, I see what you mean, so.
It's easier to see without all the snow. There's some trees here, like on the left is just rock.
Oh. This, well, to me, the snow adds a value to it. Oh, that was nice, man. Are there any more?
Yeah, coming up, I think it shows more of like the wasteland, like
Oh,
place.
we'll just get all here. This is gorgeous, man. I really hope the camera got got a hold of that.
There's ponds scattered everywhere over. You walk an hour or two in each direction, I guarantee you'll see a pond.
Gander. Oh wow.
Most of this here is just sheer rock. Like there's no dirt or nothing on top of it. It's just rock.
That makes sense. Granted that there are no trees growing up on it.
One thing that can really grow on it is like it grows in the cracks.
Yeah.
It's one of my favorite parts of the floor.
Right there. The best way to go into it is coming from CBS to Gander.
Both ways.
Nice. I will see. Alright, so we're just a little ways off of Clarenville, right?
Yep.
Clarenville.
Well, that's kind of right there.
Oh.
And big old boat water, too.
It's significantly darker now.
Looks a lot lighter on the camera.
Yeah, that's good. What's that light up there?
Okay.
So we're about halfway, well, by my estimation, just maybe under or approaching halfway between Gander and CBS.
Got a little over an hour left.
Yeah, just a little over. Where's that light go? Where did that light go? It was on the hill. Oh, there it is. On the hill over
We
there.
gotta get a star on the hill.
Yeah. Oh, we stopped here. When we were coming back. So what is the name of this stop again?
It's just Clarenville truck stop.
Oh.
Or big stop, or whatever you want to call it. Where all trucker stops to rest, fuel up, get food.
Sounds good. That's a good pastime for me. We couldn't really get footage of this last time because it was too dark. But we got it. I like it. Just wanted to get a bit of footage before it gets any darker. Oh, we're almost there. Let's start.
Trying to copy Signal Hill.
Yeah, Signal Hill, exactly.
For a second I thought it was Signal Hill. But
Yeah.
then I realized like it couldn't be. We're way too far away to be able to see it.
I'll have to do some research on that. Oh, this place is nice. Well, we wouldn't have been able to see it coming this way. Or notice it coming that way. Because it would have
It might
been...
not have even been turned on.
You're right.
Yeah, I don't say it was turned on.
Probably not. Well, we probably wouldn't have noticed it anyway.
But on camera it looks like it's daytime.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? That's what you call good camera quality.
Yep.
Alright, we are back in Gander after actually didn't feel that long.
Yeah, normally it feels a lot longer.
Yeah, it didn't feel that long. Wow, there's so much snow in Gander. There is a lot of snow in Gander.
Well, that's all from the target monster.
Yeah, true that one. But everywhere else, there's not that much snow. Either way, we're back. Yeah, that was a good journey. That was pretty fun.
It was.
Alright, signing out.